The Crosstrek has established itself as a standout performer in a market saturated with crossover SUVs, and the 2025 model year demonstrates why. With its perfect blend of urban practicality and outdoor capability, this vehicle caters to a diverse range of drivers, from city commuters to weekend adventurers. The improvements made to the 2025 model reflect Subaru's commitment to evolutionary refinement rather than revolutionary changes. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Subaru CrossTrek, a vehicle that continues to redefine versatility in the compact SUV segment. Following its significant redesign last year, this latest iteration brings forward a compelling mix of capability, efficiency, and technology that deserves our attention. Powertrains and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CrossTrek lies a choice between two capable powertrains. The entry-level model features a 2.0-liter boxer engine, delivering 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque, numbers that prove more than adequate for daily commuting needs. However, the real story lies in the upgraded 2.5-liter boxer engine, available across all other trim levels. This power plant generates a robust 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, providing a notable performance boost that outdoor enthusiasts and daily drivers alike will appreciate. The marriage between these engines and Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive system creates a driving experience that's both confident and capable. While some might miss the engagement of a manual transmission, the Lineartronic CVT transmission prioritizes efficiency and delivers smooth power delivery across all driving conditions. Perhaps most impressively, the 2.5-liter engine enables a 1,500-pound towing capacity, opening up possibilities for weekend adventures with small trailers or boats. Fuel economy and efficiency. In today's market, efficiency remains a crucial factor, and the 2025 CrossTrek doesn't disappoint. Models equipped with the 2.5-liter boxer engine, including the premium, sport, and limited grades, achieve an EPA-estimated 27 miles per gallon in city driving and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The base 2.0-liter engine proves even more efficient, returning 27 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway, numbers that position the CrossTrek competitively within its segment. These impressive efficiency figures are achieved through several technological advancements. The Lineartronic CVT features an updated programming logic that optimizes gear ratios for better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the CrossTrek employs active grille shutters and improved aerodynamics to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency at highway speeds. Off-road capabilities and practicality. Where the CrossTrek truly distinguishes itself is in its off-road prowess. With 8.7 inches of ground clearance, surpassing many full-size SUVs, the CrossTrek offers exceptional visibility and capability across challenging terrain. The standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides sure-footed traction across various conditions, while the available X mode with hill descent control enhances the vehicle's off-road capabilities further. The 2025 model year brings improvements to the X mode system, now featuring two distinct settings for snow, dirt, and deep snow, mud. This dual-function capability allows drivers to optimize the vehicle's performance based on specific terrain conditions. The system actively manages the engine output, transmission gear ratio, all-wheel drive torque split, and braking system to maximize traction and stability in challenging conditions. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the 2025 CrossTrek, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior that balances comfort with functionality. The cabin offers generous head and legroom for both front and rear passengers, while the cargo area provides flexible storage solutions with easily foldable rear seats. The wide-opening rear hatch facilitates easy loading, and the available power liftgate with hands-free access adds an extra layer of convenience. The technology suite impresses with either the standard dual 7-inch touchscreens or the available 11.6-inch touchscreen display. These interfaces provide intuitive access to entertainment and navigation features. Audio options range from a capable 4-speaker bass system to a premium Harman Kardon setup with 10 speakers, ensuring an optimal listening experience regardless of your chosen configuration. Safety features. Subaru continues its commitment to safety with the 2025 CrossTrek, incorporating the latest iteration of EyeSight driver assist technology. This comprehensive safety suite includes advanced features such as automatic emergency steering, blind spot detection, and enhanced lane keep assist. The system now performs more effectively at lower speeds and provides more natural-feeling assistance during highway driving. The 2025 model year brings significant improvements to the EyeSight system's hardware and software. The cameras offer a wider field of view and improve performance in low light conditions. The system can now better recognize pedestrians and cyclists, even in challenging weather conditions. The automatic emergency braking system has been enhanced to function more smoothly and at higher speeds, while the adaptive cruise control system maintains more natural following distances. Crosstrek Wilderness Edition. The Wilderness trim deserves special attention as it represents the pinnacle of Crosstrek's off-road capability. With increased ground clearance of 9.3 inches, all-terrain Yokohama Geolandar tires, and a modified CVT transmission with an optimized final drive ratio, the Wilderness Edition transforms the Crosstrek into a more serious off-road contender. The trim includes practical additions such as a front skid plate and enhanced approach and departure angles. Inside, the Wilderness Edition features water-resistant StarTex upholstery and distinctive copper-colored accent stitching, creating an interior that's both durable and sophisticated. These features make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on style and comfort. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 CrossTrek lineup begins with the base model at $24,995, offering standard features including LED headlights, EyeSight driver assist technology, and a 7.0-inch touchscreen. The premium trim, starting at $26,395, adds the more powerful 2.5-liter engine and an 11.6-inch touchscreen. The Sport trim, beginning at $29,100, introduces additional off-road enhancements and interior upgrades. The range-topping limited trim, priced from $31,995, delivers a premium experience with upgraded materials and additional comfort features. The 2025 Subaru CrossTrek represents a thoughtful evolution in the compact SUV segment, offering a compelling blend of capability, comfort, and technology. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the CrossTrek demonstrates remarkable versatility that justifies its growing popularity in this competitive market segment. Thank you for joining us for this detailed look at the 2025 Subaru CrossTrek. If you found this information helpful, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.